Development of special industries and improvement of community-level governance. That's what President Xi Jinping emphasized during the first day of his inspection tour in northwest China's Qinghai province on Monday. The president visited a company that makes Tibetan carpets and learned about the design and production process. He praised local residents for combining traditional and modern crafts to meet diversified market demands. Xi said the Tibetan carpet industry in Qinghai has lifted people out of poverty and promoted rural vitalization and ethnic unity. He also expressed hope that Qinghai will develop more local industries and promote development through innovation. Later on Monday, she visited a residential community in the provincial capital Xining to learn about construction projects and efforts to improve community-level governance and ethnic unity.
Whenever I go on an inspection tour, I visit rural villages and urban communities to see how people live their lives.
On Tuesday, the Chinese president visited Qinghai Lake and learned about the achievements made in environmental and biodiversity protection. He underlined the importance of ecological conservation.
We should do a good job in preserving the ecological resources and constructing the national park in Qinghai. This is our treasure, resource, and fortune.
The president also stressed the need to always put the people first and advance reform and opening up to promote ecological conservation and high-quality development on the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau. Zheng Xunying, CGTN.